What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars, and welcome back to Dollasmenu. It is officially day 1 of Dollars Vlogmas, and I'm so excited. New for our channel and something new on the channel as well for day 1. So right now we are about to watercolor a wig for the first time. I'm going to start with some 613 Russian blonde hair. I bought this wig from AliExpress. Very dangerous game, ladies. Play it wisely. And I'm going to start off with some Adore colors, 2 in, I believe, the Electric Lime, and 2 in Clover. I'm going to start off with the lighter color. And what I've learned about watercolor is you want to focus on the root first. So I held it in sort of a ponytail and dipped from there. You dip and squeeze, dip and squeeze. The more water you have, the less color that will be taken up by the wig. The less water, the more color. So I should have started with a little more water to get that 3-step ombre. And I learned that later. Here you see me dipping the whole thing. I went in with a little more of that same Electric Lime, thinking that the rest of the wig would pick it up. What I missed out on here was combing through my wig. Although it did pick up the color very well, and you've seen that in photos if you follow me, and you should, as you should. And here I'm just going to pour it out and move on to my deeper color, mixed with still a little bit of that Electric Lime. I am going to dip midway through the wig, still the full wig to give, like I said, that full step. I was thinking that now the middle would take a little more of the color, but it ended up looking the same, but it gave my green a bright pop. You see me add a little bit of the Clover here, and now I'm going to focus it on just the ends. I thought that it would give more of that 3-step effect of an ombre, but like I said, it's a dangerous game with the ombre, with the watercolor. You have to just try until you kind of figure it out. I like watercolor though because it is temporary and you can try again. So I'm going in here with my Clover color now from Adore, just Clover. Very dark green, a deep emerald actually green. And I'm going to drop it a few times, just dip it, pull, and dip it, pull, and dip it, pull till you're satisfied. The more color you have, the more that it will be taken up. You want to add color, of course, because eventually it does reach like a stopping point of the amount of color that will be taken up in the water. Because it's all in the hair, if that makes sense. Like the dye will pull the color out, although the water will turn, nothing more will be happening. Once I got it to a safe space, I still went in with just a little more to solidify that darker color. And I'm just going to dip it a few more times until I'm happy. I then let it air dry, and you will see that in the next clip. This is a whole new day. I let it air dry and ran it through my heat brush. I didn't blow dry my wig. It dried naturally, and then I went through with this brush. It's like a ceramic heat brush, but it still gives that blow dried effect, as you can see here. Like I said, I was going for more of a 3-step ombre. I think you could kind of see it looking at it now. But yeah, the biggest thing I think I messed up on was just combing through my wig, because you want to make sure every piece gets that color. I had some blonde pieces still in the middle, but it gave it like nice highlights. I wanted to add some layers just to the front. I should have went in a little harder, but I needed this wig done. I'm going to go in with my flat iron and put some flips and dips in my girl. I wanted to use my bevel iron, guys, so I was so sad because, as you know, I now work at a salon, so I left it. So I had to work with my flat iron. I hadn't used this flat iron before, but it was pretty cool. I feel like the curl still could have been higher up in the hair's shaft, if that makes sense, but it still came out really pretty, and you'll see that later on. So I'm just going to go in here, add some bends and dips, and yeah, like, y'all let me know, have you ever tried watercolor? Do you like watercoloring method, or do you like just the traditional watercoloring? I am going to strip this wig later on in a later video, so be sure to comment, be sure to like, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see the transformation of this wig later on my channel. So not only is it Vlogmas Day 1, but it's also the Dollasmenu. So of course we had to go with the Christmas green for my new hair for my intro. Y'all be sure to stay tuned and look out for that. I loved it, and it was really fun to shoot as well, and I got some great behind the scenes footage. I am going to install this wig on camera. Just a few steps will be shown because I was skipping steps. Like I said, I was a little bit in a rush, but I feel like it still came out very, very pretty. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for tuning in. I should have here tinted my full lace. I also wanted to use a bevel iron to curl my wig, and that's something I left actually at the salon. So that was another thing that I was technically missing. And then I also want to say, when you do see the full wig with the makeup on, you will see that the curls have failed a little. But yeah, you'll see it here in all its glory. And y'all just drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. And thank you for watching. I was being lazy, like I said, and it came upon me. But I think it's still giving. Care. I think it's giving. I love it. It's gonna really pop on camera, but she is good. She stays tight. She's good. Alright, y'all. Peace. I'll see you in the morning with the face on. We'll do the intro and the outro, and that's it. Stay tuned for my intro. My new YouTube intro. Thank you so much for supporting me thus far. I'm so excited about this journey, and I'm ready to get there, period. I told y'all I would come up to the camera so y'all can see how I look with the makeup on. This is her first watercolor wig. Drop a comment what y'all think and what color should she go next, period.